if you want to edit, organize, and customize quick settings panel on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, you are to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now swipe down again to open up a whole quick settings panel. And here are your, so to say, quick settings, right? You can go through them. And so is that. So if you want to edit them, you gotta locate this little pencil icon. Great. That's your pencil icon, and you can look through the list of the all application. If you want to rearrange them, for example, you don't need your bedtime mode all the time, you can hold it. First of all, you can rearrange it within the sections, or you can drag it to remove and add up your location trigger, for example. Now go back, and it's got to be automatically saved, and here you'll find your location. And basically that's how this option works. So rearrange it and make it suitable for you, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.